Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are inactive. We want to turn them on. It is because that currently we are using network provided time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off the automatic options. And right now we've got those active. So let's simply start with a date. After tapping, we can pick the date from this calendar. Just mark the date and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just pick it from this clock and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, simply tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see, it will be transferred to the full list of available ones. You can type the name of it or simply swipe to find it, and after finding, tap on it. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied also, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. The time zone affects the time. Here we can decide what kind of time format we want to use. So currently we've got the 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, or you can use local defaults, which simply means that it is more or less automatic option. So it's of course up to you which one you want to use. So basically this is the manual customization. Of course you can use the automatic options again just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.